Alright, let's talk about something that's been a part of my diet almost my entire life. The buckwheat. I eat this at least 4 times a week. And I'm not even joking. At work, it's basically my full personality at this point. Everyone makes jokes about it like, oh, here he goes again, the buckwheat guy. Or if I eating something else, everyone's like, oh, where is your buckwheat? But you know what? The thing is that this weird grain is actually a superfood. And today, I'm going to show you why you needed to add it to your diet. So first thing first, despite the name, buckwheat is not a wheat. It's actually a seed, making it completely gluten-free and packed with nutrition that most of you are missing out on. It's been a staple in Eastern European and Asian diets for centuries, and for a good reason. So, why do I eat buckwheat almost every day? It's simple. First of all, it's affordable, it's easy to make, and it fuels my body like nothing else. Whenever I'm training, working, or I just need to, just need to be full, it keeps me focused and buckwheat does the job. Plus, my stomach always feels amazing, no bloating, no crashes, just clean energy, perfect condition. So what are the main benefits of buckwheat? Buckwheat packed with protein and fiber, which is great for muscle recovery and digestion. So, 100 grams of buckwheat have 6 grams of protein, where in rice you have only 3 grams of protein. So it's like at least double the amount of protein per 100 grams of food. Second of all, it's rich in essential nutrients like magnesium and iron, and other antioxidants that boost your health. Third of all, it keeps you full and energized, so during the day you don't need to crush some candies or something. And fourth of all, it's good for your heart and it lowers blood sugar. So if you care about long-term health, this is exactly for you. Basically, if you wanna feel like a superhero, just eat your buckwheat. So how to make it quick and easy? Basically, it just takes 15 minutes to cook, and you can eat it in many ways. You can eat it sweet, you can eat it savory, with eggs, with meat, or with just some plain butter. Personally, I love adding ketchup and it tasted even better. Like, just some Heinz on top and it's gonna work like a magic. Also, I love to add fried eggs on top, and it's a game changer. It's such a big part of my routine right now that I'm basically the ketchup and buckwheat guy. So, I drench my buckwheat in ketchup like it's some kind of secret ritual, and to be honest, I don't mind. Alright, now it's your turn. Just try buckwheat and who knows, maybe you end up loving it as much as I do. If you already eating it, just drop a comment below how you're preparing it. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more and easy life-changing ideas. See you in the next one.